Hi friends, this video is about the information forensics and security. Information forensics and security is a very interesting domain in which there are lots of aspects involved, lots of techniques involved, lots of real-time examples involved. Let us see them one by one. And before that, if this is the first time you are visiting this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get all the recent updates from us instantly. Thank you. Now, let us continue with this information forensics and security.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Information forensics and security is a discipline that focuses on analyzing, protecting, and investigating the digital data. This information forensics and security, it combines two major areas. One is information security and other one is the digital security. Correct? One is the information security and other one is the digital security. Now let us see some key concepts in information forensics and security. There are some key concepts which are very important in information forensics and security. They are, first one, confidentiality, integrity, authenticity, then is the availability, non-repudiation of the data, and then the data recovery and analysis. These are some of the key concepts in information forensics and security. However, there may be some more, but these are the important aspects. Now let us see the algorithms that are involved in information forensics and security. There are various algorithms that are involved in information forensics and security. Let us classify these algorithms into three. Number one is cryptographic algorithms. This is mainly for the data protection. Forensics and detection algorithm. And then the machine learning in security algorithms. These are the three major categories. Inside this category, there may be many algorithms that are involved. Now, let us see the cryptographic algorithms. There are four types of cryptographic algorithms. One is the symmetric encryption. The other one is the asymmetric encryption. The other one is the hashing techniques or hashing algorithms. And the last one is the digital signatures. These are the various types of cryptographic algorithms. Inside these types, let us list some of the algorithms that are involved. Okay, the first type is the symmetric encryption. Inside this symmetric encryption, there are algorithms that are involved. Those who have done Find Your project with us might be aware of these algorithms. So some of the algorithms which comes under the category of the symmetric encryption are AES algorithm, DES algorithm, and blowfish algorithm. This comes under the category of the symmetric encryption. And next one is the asymmetric encryption. The algorithms that are involved in the asymmetric encryption are RSA algorithm, ECC algorithm, etc. And there are some algorithms which are involved inside the hashing techniques. And these are very interesting algorithms. They are MD5 algorithm, SHA-1 algorithm, SHA-256 algorithm, SHA-3 algorithm, and so on. And these are some of the techniques that are involved, some of the algorithms that are involved in the hashing techniques. Next, let us come to the digital signatures. In the digital signature, there are some algorithms involved. They are RSA algorithm, DSA algorithm, and so on. Now let us see the forensics and detection algorithms. In this forensics and detection algorithms, there are various categories. Let us list the categories one by one. They are file carving, steg analysis, anomaly detection, malware detection, network forensics, watermark detection, and so on. But these are the major categories. And inside these categories, there are some algorithms. Okay, let us see them one by one. In the file carving category, there are two major algorithms. One is the foremost algorithm, and other one is the scalable algorithm. And these are very, very interesting algorithms. Okay, and then let us come to the next category, steg analysis. Inside this steg analysis, there are two major algorithms. One is the chi-square attack algorithm, and other one is the RS analysis algorithm. And these two are very, very important algorithms. Next, let us come to the interesting category, that is the anomaly detection. We have already done many projects based on this anomaly detection, and some of the major algorithms that are involved in the anomaly detection are k-means algorithm, isolation forest algorithm, and so on. And then some of the algorithms that are involved in the malware detection are signature based algorithms, heuristics algorithms, machine learning algorithms, which can include SVM algorithm, neural networks algorithms, and so on. Next, coming to the network forensics category. In the network forensics category, there are some algorithms like flow based analysis algorithm, deep packet inspection algorithm, and so on. And finally, coming to the watermarking detection category. Inside this watermarking detection category, there are some algorithms like DWT algorithm, DCT algorithms, SVD based algorithms, and so on. In the machine learning and security concept, there are some use cases. They are intrusion detection, phishing detection, biometric detection, and so on. In the intrusion detection use case, there are some major algorithms, and this is also a very, very interesting concept. And we have also done many projects based on this intrusion detection. And some of the major algorithms in this intrusion detection are random forest algorithm, CNN algorithm, LSTM algorithm, etc. And in the phishing detection concept, there are some algorithms like Navy Bayes algorithm, SVM algorithm, and so on. In the biometric security, there are some algorithms, and that's a very, very important algorithm which is popularly used. One is CNN algorithm, and then the KNN algorithm, and so on. And now let us see some of the examples related to information forensics and security. Let us see them one by one. And there are some situations, some instances where analyzing a criminal's laptop to retrieve deleted emails or files used in a fraud. Okay, and then tracing a ransomware attack to the hacker using the IP address traces and the log files, etc. Okay, and then encrypting all the files in a company using some algorithm, verifying digital signatures on transactions. And one of the very frequently used example that we can say is WhatsApp. WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption, which is a signature protocol. And one more popular example, which you are using in your phones for security lock, such as face recognition and fingerprint based phone unlock systems. And then some of the network forensics like packet sniffing tools, packet sniffing concepts, and so on. And some of the malware analysis like reverse engineering, ransomware using sandboxing and behavioral analysis, and so on. And these are some of the examples. And few basic examples like username, login, password, and then receiving OTP, and then banking information, And all those things are some of the examples related to this information forensics and security. And this information forensics and security is very important concept. It's a very important domain which is very essential for today's real world scenario. And that is all for this session today. Let us see in another interesting domain in the next video. Thank you so much.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.